You can try to figure it all out on your own, or you can learn directly from someone who's already done it, mastered it, and has the results to prove it. The truth is, mentorship isn't optional if you want to win in business today. It's mandatory. Because in the social media world full of fake experts and highlight reels, having a real mentor who's walked the walk is the fastest way to skip the mistakes, save time, and actually build success. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of the process, and each one of those vehicles bring me an additional 1 to 3K per car per month. And you can do the exact same thing as long as you follow the systems and the strategies that we provide. And today I'm gonna show you why mentorship is the most important thing when starting your business, how it separates the winners from the lost, and why finding a mentor with systems, results, and real testimonials is the smartest move you can make in this social media era that we live in. Most people never want to put their pride to the side and they think I can do it by myself. I'll figure it out as I go. That's a crazy belief, and that's why most people never make it past the starting line. Because the truth is this, doing it alone costs you years. Making mistakes becomes expensive, and then you end up spinning your wheels instead of moving forward. The reality is this, information is everywhere, but wisdom is rare, and mentorship is what bridges the two together. Here's the shift. Mentorship is not a shortcut, it's a speed multiplier. A mentor saves you from mistakes they already paid for, and a mentor holds you accountable when motivation fades. You cannot YouTube your way to mastery. You need proximity to someone who's already built what you're trying to build. And in today's social media world, that's the biggest difference between the ones who talk about success and the ones who actually live it. Here's what a real mentor is gonna do for you. They're gonna give you direction, right? They give you clarity, no guessing. You know exactly what to do next, step by step. They also give you systems. They give you a proven framework that works, not random advice or theory, systems that actually produce results. We also hold you accountable. I'm gonna make sure that you follow through, because information without execution means nothing. You're definitely gonna gain some access, right? A mentor gives you their network, their resources, and their connections. You're not just buying knowledge, you're buying speed, and they're gonna provide you with results, right? Mentorship removes guesswork. You're building on something that's already proven to work, and that's why results can come a lot faster. When you plug into mentorship, you stop trying to reinvent the wheel. You start accelerating. But here's where most people mess this up, because they do, right? They listen to too many people online and get overwhelmed by conflicting information. They chase every new strategy they see on TikTok or YouTube instead of sticking to one proven system. They buy cheap courses instead of investing in real mentorship, and then they follow people who talk but don't have results, testimonials, or any type of structure. That's why so many people get burned. They follow influencers and not mentors. Listen to me, mentorship isn't an expense, it's an investment. The money you spend on mentorship isn't gone. It comes back multiplied in time saved, mistakes avoided, and income earned faster. You can't Google your way to financial freedom. You need guidance from someone who's already escaped the rat race and built exactly what you're chasing. Yo, Trevor Calais here, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Listen to me, guys. Information without action is worthless. You've got the benefits, now it's time to actually execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035 right now, and let's make something happen. I definitely have a system that can change your whole financial future. All you have to do is have a little bit of implementation. So keep grinding, keep hustling, and stay blessed. Now let's get back to the video. When I left the military and I was working a normal 9 to 5 like everybody else, I didn't know how to run a business. I didn't know credit, funding, or automations. I struggled at first until I actually found mentors who had already had the blueprint. I learned how to optimize credit, unlock capital, and invest in the assets like vehicles on Turo. Those mentors gave me systems, structure, and accountability, and that's how I was able to scale to over 40 vehicles. And every one of those vehicles makes me $1,000 to $3,000 a month, all automated. Without that mentorship, I'd still be guessing. With it, I actually was able to build some freedom. And now I built Let's Go Hustle to give the same level of mentorship to other veterans and 9 to 5 workers who want to change their lives the exact same way I did. Sit back and ask yourself this. Are you still trying to figure it all out alone? Are you still spending hours online taking notes from people who've never actually built what they're teaching? Because the truth is this, mentorship shortens the distance between where you are and where you want to be. The longer you wait to get one, the longer you're gonna stay stuck. In business, doing it alone will cost you more than investing in help ever will. So look, if you knew a proven mentor could help help you skip the mistakes, learn the systems, and start generating income faster, why would you keep trying to figure it all out on your own? Wouldn't it make more sense to work with someone who's already done it, has the proof, the results, and the testimonials to show that it works? If that makes sense to you, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone, and from there, we're gonna figure out the best path for you to plug into mentorship systems that's already changing lives. Because at the end of the day, it's a lot better to learn from someone who's winning instead of guessing your way through the losing. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Ask me anything you want in the comments below, and I'll get those answers right back to you. I appreciate your peace. Have a blessed day.